At Daocheng Yading Airport, planes touch down at 290 km/h, roughly the top speed of a Formula One car, because the air is too thin to slow them down. That's 30% faster than a normal landing on a runway that ends at a cliff face. Here's the problem. Kinetic energy scales with velocity squared, meaning stopping distance doesn't increase by 30%. It should nearly double. Daocheng Yading sits at 4,111 meters in Sichuan, China, opened in 2013, and it's the highest civilian airport on Earth. At that altitude, air density drops to just 62% of sea level. Thrust reversers and spoilers, the systems that bleed speed on landing, rely on dense air to bite into. At Daocheng, they generate almost no aerodynamic resistance at all, so the entire stopping load falls on the wheel brakes. To land here, pilots need a dedicated high-altitude certification from China's CAAC. The runway is 4,000 meters of reinforced, heat-absorbing pavement engineered specifically to survive repeated high-energy stops. And aircraft flying this route carry reduced payload to cut gross weight, which partially compensates for what the thin air can't do. The brakes aren't helping less, they're doing everything. What would a normal pilot think the first time they touched down here and felt the runway end approaching way too fast?